Alright, this is going to be our last video, but we are going to talk about sending a message. We'll be starting off on a clean slate, but using the same sprites as we have been before. So, let's look at how to send a message. So messages will be under the events. So we need to first start the program as we usually would. And then maybe we want it to, at the very beginning, broadcast a message. Let's name this message the hello message. So at the beginning, it's going to broadcast hello to every sprite there is, including itself. So let's move over to the other sprite, because it's going to be receiving. So instead of starting the program as we usually would, we won't say, when I receive hello. Maybe we want it to, how about let's edit this, add a little line there, make it look like a dial. Maybe we want it to rotate when it receives this message. So let's run it, and it's going to rotate because it received this hello message. So maybe we want it to wait though. So let's go ahead and make it wait using a control block that we learned about in a previous video. We will wait 2 seconds. Maybe during this 2 seconds, or maybe just in the program, you want this guy to go ahead and start turning. So let's we'll make it look like a dial there as well. So let's go ahead and make this start turning. Let's make it turn the opposite direction. That'll be fun. We want it to forever loop. Let's run it. And it's going to start spinning 2 seconds later. The other sprite is going to start spinning because we told it to wait 2 seconds, then broadcast the message. So 2 seconds later, it broadcasted message hello, and then sprite 2 received message hello and started turning like we told it to. Maybe we don't want it just to say hello first. Maybe we want it to wait before it starts. Let's make it wait 2 seconds. So it's going to be waiting a total of 4 seconds before it starts spinning. But when it also receives hello, let's make it say something for 2 seconds. So it'll say hello. Run. Sprite 1 is gonna start spinning hello, and then it's gonna start spinning because we told it. We told sprite 3, the all green sprite, to start spinning and to wait 2 seconds, then broadcast message hello. So once we start the program, it's gonna start spinning and then wait 2 seconds and then broadcast hello. When the blue and green sprite received it, it said hello for 2 seconds, and because we told it to wait 2 seconds before acting upon hello, the first part of when it received message hello before it started spinning. So this reaction would be it says hello and then starts spinning. So that's how you would use the more of the event blocks. And under looks, we will also go over that in this video. Under looks, you can make it show the object show itself. You can make it hide itself. You can also switch costumes. So if we're going to switch costume, we need to add a new costume. So let's do this in blue and purple. Blue, and then do a purple circle. Not the most pleasant thing to see. But it's a little, the sizing is off because I didn't do it very accurately. So if I change this here and then run the program, it's going to stay in that same costume. But what if we wanted to change the costume? Let's say make it change when it receives hello again. Oh, wrong sprite. So when this one receives hello again, we may want it to wait. Instead of 2 seconds, maybe we want it to wait 6 seconds before it changes costumes. And we want it to switch to costume 2, the one we just created. So also, when we start the program, we're also going to want it to be the original costume that it would be at. So let's run the program. It's going to start spinning, hello, and then it's going to start spinning, and after 6 seconds of receiving hello, it's going to change. But maybe we also want it to wait another 6 seconds before it switches back, and we want it to do this continuously. So let's add another wait 6 seconds, and let's make it switch back to costume 2, but we want it to continuously do this, so let's repeat it forever. And let's run our program. So now it's receiving message hello. It's going to say hello, start rotating. It's going to switch every 6 seconds. So as you see, it switched back and forth, and then it will switch back again in 6 seconds, and then back to the original in 6 seconds later. So this concludes our video on how basic programming works.